Hello everybody, today it's just a little quick fire alarm test because I haven't made a video in a while, and also you'll hear a few changes. I won't show you too much of the system, but this is sort of system test 3 sneak peek. As you notice, there is slight different light in the garage. I won't explain too much because not a lot of these are lighting. I'll just let you know it is not fluorescent. That is about it. I'll just lamp test. So system test 3 will be out hopefully before the end of this month, but I doubt that, but hopefully it will. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll just show you what's been illuminating the garage. Is this Indal Vectra. It is huge, and it is 150 watt sun, if you know what that is, and that's a bulb, something similar to what's lighting up. So anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye.